Today, I'm checking out TryHackMe's new AI Security Level 1 certification called AI1. And I want to do this review because AI security is becoming one of the fastest growing areas in cybersecurity right now. Everyone's talking about prompt injection, AI red teaming, data poisoning, model supply chain attacks, and securing AI applications. But for most people, the question is still, how do you actually get started? Because a lot of AI security content is either very high level or very academic or aimed at people who already have machine learning experience. So in this video, I want to go through TryHackMe's AI certification bundle and look at it from a practical point of view. Is it beginner friendly? Is it actually hands-on? Who is it actually for? And is it worth doing if you want to move into AI security? And also, as a bonus, stick around this video because TryHackMe is letting me give away 5 AI1 certification vouchers to people from this channel, and I'll explain how to enter this later in this video. And just to be transparent, this video is in partnership with TryHackMe, but I still want to approach this like a proper review. I'm not gonna just say this is amazing, just go buy it. I want to actually look at what's included, what you learn, what the exam looks like, and whether it makes sense for different types of learners. So first up, this isn't just an exam voucher. It's more of a full path to certification bundle. You get 3 months of TryHackMe Premium Access, which unlocks AI security learning path, and that includes 25 hands-on labs across 5 technical modules. Those modules cover things like AI fundamentals, secure architecture, prompt security, supply chain security, and data poisoning. And I kind of like how they structure it this way because one issue that I have with certifications is that they sell you the exam, but the actual preparation is kind of separate, and you're left trying to figure out what to study and which resources are relevant and whether you're even ready. With this, the idea is more straightforward. You go through the practical training first, then you validate those skills in the certification exam, and that makes sense especially for newer areas like AI security where a lot of people don't even know what the learning path should look like. And the full prep path is about 40 to 60 hours of interactive lab time, with each room taking roughly 45 to 75 minutes. So this is not something you can smash out in just one afternoon, and it's also not a massive 6-month commitment. So if you're consistent, you could work through it over a couple of weeks. And one thing I do think is a big plus is that everything runs in a browser. You don't need to set up local machines, learning environments, install tools, and configure GPUs, or troubleshoot random Python dependencies for 3 hours before you even start learning. You just literally open a room in TryHackMe and start working through the lab. And this is so helpful, especially when trying to learn new things like AI security. Because if the barrier to entry is too high, people just won't even start, especially if they're already working full-time, studying, or just trying to explore whether this field is just for them. Alright, so in terms of the content itself, what I'm looking for is whether the labs go beyond just basic chatbot tricks. Because when people hear AI security, they often jump straight to prompt injection, and that's definitely a part of it. But real AI security is broader than that. You need to think about stuff like the application architecture, the data the system relies on, third-party models, integration permissions, and how attackers can actually abuse the system end to end. And from what I've seen, the learning path seems to cover that broader picture. You're not just learning, how do I make this chatbot ignore some instructions? You're also looking at things like how to secure an architecture, supply chain risks, and data poisoning. That's really important to understand because in production environments, the weakness might not be the model itself. It might be the data source, and it might be the way the AI app connects to the internal tools. It might be a third-party model, or it might be the fact that no one has threat modeled the system properly. So I like the fact that this seems to treat AI security as a practical security discipline and not just a prompt engineering game. So after you finish the preparation path, you move into the AI1 certification exam. The exam is 100% hands-on and has 0 multiple choice questions, and that's one of the more interesting parts to me. Because for technical cybersecurity, multiple choice can only tell you so much. It might test whether you remember a definition, but it doesn't really prove that you can actually work through a realistic scenario. The AI1 exam has 13 hands-on scenarios across 4 technical sections, and the exam covers areas like threat modeling and AI architecture, prompt injection and jailbreaking, AI supply chain security, and data poisoning. I'm not going to show you the exact questions or how the exam works because obviously that would ruin the point of the certification, but at a high level, the exam is designed to test whether you can actually apply the skills from the path. So rather than just asking what is prompt injection, it's more like, Can you identify the issue? Can you exploit or validate the weakness? Can you understand the impact? And can you recommend a mitigation? And that's the type of testing that I personally prefer for cybersecurity because it really goes through your critical thinking. The exam window is 48 hours and it's not proctored and available once you start. But that doesn't mean you'll be working for 48 hours straight. The expected active completion time is around 6 to 8 hours, and you can complete it at your own pace within that window. And I actually like this format because not everyone performs well in a strict live exam environment. So if you're working full-time, or you're studying, or you have family commitments, or you just want to take breaks between the sections, the 48-hour window really makes everything so much more flexible. The exam is also fully browser-based, so again, no local VM setup or software installation. For grading, there's a split system. Technical components get instant results when you submit them. And for the written analytical parts, like the mitigation plans or the incident reporting, those are evaluated separately within 24 to 48 hours. And I have to say, the written component of this exam is pretty realistic because in real cybersecurity work, it's not enough just to find the root cause of the issue. You usually need to explain the risk, write what happened, and recommend what the business should do about it. The passing mark is 70%, and the bundle includes one free retake if you don't pass the first time. And that's useful as well because hands-on exams can be unpredictable. You might understand the concept but still make a mistake, or you might misread something, or you run out of time. So having that retake included in this exam makes it a bit less risky. So who is this actually for? I think it makes sense for three groups. First, cybersecurity professionals who want to move into AI security. So if you're a SOC analyst, or you're a security engineer, pen tester, application security engineer, or someone already working in cyber, this could be a practical way to start building AI-specific security skills without starting from scratch. And secondly, early career cyber people or students. If you're just trying to stand out, AI security is still a newer area compared to the usual entry-level topics. But this is not going to magically get you a job by itself, but it does give you something specific and relevant to talk about. And thirdly, this is more suitable for developers, machine learning engineers, or product application developers who are working with AI features. If you're building an AI-powered app, you need to understand how attackers might abuse them. So learning how to think from the attacker's perspective is genuinely useful. Now, who is this not for? If you're looking for a governance or management style AI certification, this is probably not the right fit. This is not really policy focused. It's more technical and practitioner focused. And if you're already doing advanced AI red teaming or adversarial machine learning research, this is level 1. So it might be too foundational for you. But for people trying to get into AI security properly, I think this level 1 certification makes sense. It assumes that you have basic security knowledge, things like networking, operating systems, and web security fundamentals, but it doesn't expect you to already be an advanced AI specialist. And because this video is in partnership with TryHackMe, they've also given me the discount code for anyone who wants to check out the AI1 bundle. You can use my code to get 30% off during the launch window, and I'll leave the link in the description. And I'm not going to spend too long on the pricing side of things because I don't want to turn this into like a sales pitch, but the main thing I want to say this is only consider this if you're actually interested in building hands-on AI security skills. If you're just collecting certifications for the sake of it, I probably wouldn't rush into this one. But if AI security is an area you genuinely want to explore, then the bundle gives you the preparation path, the exam voucher, and a premium access and a free retake in one package. So personally for me, the main positives is it's a hands-on experience, it's browser-based, it includes preparation path and exam together, it covers more than just prompt injection, and it provides beginners a more structured way into AI security. The main thing to remember is that this is still a level 1 certification, so don't expect it to turn you into an advanced AI red teamer overnight. But as a starting point for AI security, especially if you like TryHackMe's learning style, I think this is a pretty practical option. And now for the giveaway. TryHackMe is giving away 5 AI1 certification vouchers to viewers from this channel. And to enter, you need to do 3 things. First, you gotta create a TryHackMe account or log into your existing account. Second, you gotta complete at least one room in the AI path. If you're not sure where to start, I'll leave the starting room link in the description below. Third, leave a comment on this video explaining how earning an AI1 certification would help your career and your educational goals. The winners will be selected randomly from valid entries 7 days after this video goes live, and the vouchers will be delivered within 3 days after the announcement. So overall, that's my review of TryHackMe's AI1 certification bundle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching.